Judge rejects recommendation for year in jail and treatment. Gary E. Anderson leaned into the podium, his head lowered, and his blue jail jumpsuit draped off his thin frame. The 67-year-old Child Protective Services director told the court he did not understand how he could have spent 36 years of his life defending children. You didn't. You went in there to rape them. Because you piece of trash. Including his own, and now stands guilty of raping a 9-year-old girl and molesting another girl of the same age. Because you're a bucket of crap. Because you're a worm. And because you don't just enjoy raping those children. For the same reason you enjoy, if you read the criminology and the psychology of why you like raping children, it's the same thing you like when those parents are crying, when you show up with brainwashed cops serving you and they drag that little kid out of their hands and you realize you're going to be raping them in just a few hours. It's the enjoyment. It's the domination. It's the power. So you enjoy those parents terrorizing in pain, just like local family court judges, and I've been in their courts watching them. And those families are crying. The judge is literally just going, I mean, they're just soaking the pain. And me, I'm like, that's why I can't go to these anymore, because it's literally like I'm in hell, and I'm going, it's just tearing my guts out, my soul out. And the rage just lifts, and the judge will even see it in your eyes and just look at you. And it's almost like Emperor Palpatine when Darth Vader finds out he's killed his wife. And Darth Vader's having a painful moment. You see Palpatine going. Well, I've seen that in Judge Jean Muir, ladies and gentlemen. I've seen her when they're taking a kiss. And I mean, literally, it's just like, I just want to, that lady. I mean, she is a bucket of maggot evil. She is a pit demon of hell itself. And all over the country, the family court judges going to get caught getting massive payoffs for stealing kids from the adoption agencies, not to mention the federal bounties to do it. And I've seen them just, as they take a little kid and the parents are crying, we didn't do anything, you have no proof. And she's like, ha, ha, ha. She'll even, I've seen her on the news before. I've played the clip somewhere. It's a CBS clip where she's sitting there seizing people's kids for no reason in the schools, in the elementary schools. When the kid's late to class, they then make them sign a form agreeing that they were truant. Then when they're late again, they grab them. And when the parents are crying, you see Muir going. I mean, it's just like feeding vampirically on pain. And that's what he did right here. Another disgusting piece of absolute trash, Gary E. Anderson. And you look at them, they always look the same. Look at that weak pedophile piece of filth. Loves hurting innocent, weak people. Loves using the police to have his way. I bet that bailiff right there was probably helping him a month earlier grab people's kids. Look at that sack of demon.